morning. What's going on? Today, you know what we're doing? CV boots, drop links, Civic. It's getting cold. You know, in the UK it's like minus 532. No, it's gonna get cold. Snow's coming. I can feel it. So what I've done is I've made myself a door. I've made myself a wall. We've got the heater on. So when we're not grafting in there, we can just come in here and warm up a bit. You know what I'm saying? So I went down to Bulldog and they've ordered me some Shaft Tech drive shaft CV boots. Same ones we put on cussies. And we've got some anti-roll bar, front sway bar drop links, whatever you want to call them. This is for the Civic. First of all, let me swap the cars over. And it's raining. This crap that is here. Ooh. Look at the lighting in here. Yeah, we've sorted it out just for you lot. Plus we can see as well. Today's mission is Uniro drop link, Dunero drop link, and two Civibootionis. One there. And this one doesn't look too bad, but it is starting to go. I don't know how this lighting is. Is it making me look beautiful? I don't know. But other than that, we're all gravy, baby. The car doesn't seem to be smoking as much. I've not seen any smoke since we've put that turbo restrictor in. So hopefully we've managed to fix our issue. But, if you remember right, when we did the gearbox, I need to take the drive shafts off. So I'm going to take the wheel off, take the castle nut off. But this is the one that I worry about. We've got to take this one off and, can you see that one there? Take that out of the way and take the shaft completely out. All fun and games. So what do we do first? Do we do the nightmare stuff or the easy stuff? Let's do the pain first. Let's crack on with the shaft. Try this with WD-40, give it a clean with a wire brush. We'll see if it undoes, we'll see if it snaps. So I have a 17 there, 14 there. Let's crack them off. So at least they've cracked off and they're not rounded off inside. I'm going to take the wheels off. What I didn't want to do was go and start stripping all the front end down if they were going to snap. Then I'd need to buy bolts and bushes, but luckily we could. 1.25 inch. See? Do you remember the trick I showed you last time? See? Don't need anyone. Use your mind. Next one. This 14. That's it. We got it. Oh. I'm gonna have to go take this out as well. Oh, look at that. I just had that look of. Oh. Well, luckily we've had these ball joints out before. I showed you how to do it, but I'll show you again. Oh, they're out now. I've took mine all the way out. So I want to clean them up, make sure they're not too rusty and stuff like that. But you can see now the shock is fully moving. I'm going to do this one and then we'll see where that takes us. Woo! So that's good. It means I don't need to. No, I still need to. Fiddly this. Oh, it's difficult one-handed mush, ain't it? So what I'll do is now crack this 17 off and pull the ball joint off the arm. Sound. Easy. It's only because we've done it before the way, let's be honest. Quick heads up. Don't take this bracket off until you've popped this ball joint out, because as you compress, it ain't got nowhere to compress, has it? See? Take the nut off. Take that back out. From here. Take it back off. And now you can push that off there. See? Just like that. Okay, look, it's. Oh, by the way, I just squidged my finger. These gloves are sick. Cheers, Cuss. But really, cheers, Josh, because Cuss stole them off Josh. I stole them off Cuss, but Cuss gave them. Yes, Sam. Jack it up. Put the pressure on the ball joint. Get our tappy stick. Boom. Just relieve the pressure. Put your wood back. And just repeat again. So the ball joint's off there now. And in theory, the shafts should just come out. I'm going to put you on a stand somewhere, because this is going to either be really messy or sound. Let Jimmy bar. Oh, gearbox oil. No. Okay. Just the tick on. Be careful of that, because the gearbox oil will get you. Here's the damage. Looks like someone's replaced it before. Nice. Seal is lovely and sweet still. I'm going to have to put some tissue in there to stop it leaking. Ah. I'm not going to show you how I got that there, because it was big effort, massive push. But I'll just show you what I did. So I've pushed it on like this on the wall. I've pushed it with my fingers and just worked my way around. And now we're right. Just pushed it on with my fingers. Now, that was a mission, but I'm not stripping all of that down. I've heard you can take that off and then put it off, but I ain't doing it. So I just got one of the cones, put it on small side first, and then just worked it. I ain't gonna lie, I was cussing quite a lot. This was tight. Trying to pull it back, fill it with grease, it gets everywhere. So if you have the opportunity to get different shafts, do it. Because the price of this, and then how much effort and work it is, it ain't worth it, my man. I'm going to put these clips on now, and then we'll be able to throw it back on. Let's be honest, them clips are crap. Can't beat a good old cable tie. And that is one drive shaft done. Best get it back in now. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put you on charge because you're flashing at me. Guys, charge me. And I'm gonna do the other one. It's exactly the same. If you ain't got it by now, get someone else to do it. All that mess is done. They look good though. They're looking lovely. But what we need to do now is replace these bad boys. See if they undo, and if they do, I'm going to get the grinder out. Yep. What's that? It's going to be a 12/8. Just going to have to do 12mm spanner, 12mm socket. Bit of a pain because you have to undo the top and the bottom. The key is to put both sides in at the same time, because otherwise you'll be fighting the anti-robot and you don't want that. You're so dirty, covered in way too much grease. Them drop links are awkward. But like I say, you want to put both of the tops in at the same time. And then what I did was I pulled down on the arm and then put the nut in on the bottom. This side was actually quite difficult. It was really difficult to compress the rubber, so I squeezed it with this hand and then done the nut up with that hand and then pinched it all up tight. Clean up all this grease. Oh, I'm a bit stuck now because I need to replace these. See the steering arms? So they're ordered, they'll be here tomorrow. And this side as well. This side is ripped, I see it there. I'm going to order them 2 parts in. They'll be here in the morning. But we got a bit of an unusual. We got yeah. We're not sure whether we're going to be doing much tomorrow because it's my friend's son's funeral. So we're taking the S15. We're going for go to the family house. Go to the church, and then we're going to leave it at that because I'm not going to get too involved in it. But it's going to be a nice day for you, Lewis. You know what I mean? Your dad's. I'm going to leave it at that. I don't want to get too much on the internet. You know what I mean? But yeah, so tomorrow's going to be a day. Whether we come and work on the cars afterwards, I'm not sure. I might write tomorrow off and start again on the weekend, but we'll see. You know what I mean? I'm there for my friend, so that's the main thing. But enough of that. Let's sort of talk about the Civic. Drop link's done. CV boots are done. I'm waiting for the steering rack gators to come. They'll be here tomorrow, as I've already said. But I'm thinking, should I order some coilovers for it? Because it does drive terrible. And we've already got the rear arms, them skunk 2 China boys that are in. And I'm just thinking if we got some coilovers, that might finish the car off, I suppose, under here. And then we can literally concentrate on paint and then getting it finished. You know what I mean? Still looking for a damn sunroof, so if anyone knows to an EG sunroof, preferably without any rust, because I might as well just fix my own if one's got rust. But the problem with fixing rust is it just doesn't last, and eventually it will come back through, the new paint. But when we sell the car, I mean, I'll just have to notify the new owner. You know the deal. We've got nothing to hide here. Well, I'm going to take the wheels off because I think we're going to be running the VTI wheels after this is done because I like the look. What we're getting there. I actually can't do anything else for the rest of the day. So I'm going to tidy up, have a quick sweep up. Going to get my ass in the warm for a little bit longer. And then probably going to call it a day. But I hope you enjoyed that little how-to fit some drive shafts and do some drop links on a Civic. I ain't going to lie, pulling the CV boot over that cone to clear the CV was a pain. Unless you've got some good weight behind you and a bit of strong fingers, you're going to struggle, because I struggled. So, but give it a go. You know what I mean? You might do better than me. But don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all of that shit. And I appreciate you. Thank you very much. And I'll see you soon.